Before we start, make sure you always have an adult nearby to help with any cutting, cooking, blending, or baking. Everyone can use a little more energy in their day, and these little babies are great, healthy options for you to power up. And the best part, they don't take a lot of energy to make. Let's do this. Nuts! Crackers! Chips! Flax! Sunflower seed butter! Honey! Cacao! These little energy bites can brighten up any day. They're great for recess, after a sport, or anytime you're on the go. Here's a little chef tip. You can also store them in your mouth. Get more fun recipes at KidFoodNation.com. Presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.